All right, next problem up. What we're going to do here is we're going to read that question sentence first. So it says, what fraction of the questions did she get? Okay. Emma solved 14 out of 20 questions. What fraction of the questions did she get? Now, although, yeah, the grammar here is slightly turbulent, I'll go ahead and say that, we can go ahead and safely assume that we're talking about the fraction of questions that we got correctly. All right? The fractions of questions that we got correct here for Emma. So when we see this, 14 out of 20 questions. My party people, can you tell me, nice and simple here, the phrase out of, what does that tell us? What operation are we kind of thinking about here? Especially when we think of the word fraction. Yeah, that's division. So what we have here, everybody, is 14 out of, that's division, or a fraction bar, 20. And from here, everybody, there's one word that's coming to mind, starts with an S. It is something that you can do typically when we have fractions. Yeah, we can simplify. Exactly. We can simplify the fraction because we wrote the fraction out, but our option isn't there. And that's because we have to simplify. And what simplification is dividing the same number out of the numerator and denominator that can be divided out. 14 and 20 are both even numbers. So I'm going to start off with dividing by 2. Once I do that, we have 14 divided by 2 is 7. 20 divided by 2 is 10. From here, can we go any further than that, everybody? Can we go any further than that? We cannot. That is as simple as it gets because 7 and 10 don't share any more common factors other than 1. And so the correct answer is answer choice D. This is a straightforward question where you're given the part and the whole, and you just got to know how to simplify a fraction.